We also learned about the difference between education and literacy. How a person being literate, how does he act, and a person who is educated, how does he react. We also learned about Garbha Vidyalaya. Then we learned about how we should read. Whenever we read, it is said that a pregnant woman should read. The reason behind it is to create emotion. So whatever we are reading, emotions get generated, and that is somehow helping the baby within our womb to understand emotions and then react to it when it comes out.
Uh, Also, from yesterday, I've learned the importance of when, how, what to read to the baby, how to read to the baby, and how much to read to the baby. Uh, Also, the scientific reason also gave a great insight on AEIOU, what you attract, what you enjoy, what you are involved in, or what you observe, or what you understand. Uh, is directly affecting your baby in some other way.
And during the pregnancy, who taught us what we should read for every month, what type of books and what values we should develop every month in the baby. So that knowledge was quite comfortable, it was quite insightful. We'll try to implement that thing and hope like we both, me and my kid, both get benefit out of it. And also involving father in this activity. Like daily he has to tell one story. That is also a good idea. This way involves father also in this journey.
What mothers see, listen, what I enjoy has 70% effect on the baby and 30% of father. So from yesterday we are very conscious about our acts. So thank you so much.